the artist wanted to give the impression with this piece, once again, a broken water fountain, that there's a big bird flying next to the big boat. So the George R. Brown's supposed to represent that cruise ship.
Okay.
Yeah. Biggest convention? No.
Oh,
No.
the gaming one.
Gaming one?
Con. What's it something?
Comic-Con?
Comic-Con.
No. Got one? No. It's free.
Yep.
Yeah, just be careful coming here at night.
Oh, we wouldn't do that. You never heard of Kendrick? Don't say that, sir. You don't like it?
I don't dislike or like. I'm not that deep. Yeah, I'm not into it.
Okay.
It's not a dislike. But I'm not,
Yeah.
I don't listen.
Okay.
I like the little ratchet.
Oh, okay.
So this is the deal right here. And I guess they got Donkey Dog. So yeah. So they're real popular in the East End. More towards Navigation and Canal Street.
Okay.
Yeah. Montage to Houston. All this is Houston themed. Alright? So of course this is the Sakowitz department store. So it was built in 1954, this building. So this is where you'd come buy your furs.
Oh.
So, you know, we like our furs around here.
It's not how.
Oh, you take me up my nose?
Go ahead, girl.
So the unknown sculpture by the unknown artist. Only the city knows who put this here.
Oh.
Just showed up one day.
It's mystery.
It's a mystery. But since Houston's so diverse now,
It's so awesome.
the artist wants to give the impression you don't know what ethnic origin that the statues are, what gender they are, even what the animal is.
Right.
Said it's a frog dog.
Yeah, that's what I was about to say.
started getting bigger, they tore them all down to build these skylines.
Mini head or something. So I'm on my way home. I just got in the parking garage. This parking garage was so scary. This man, first of all, I did everything wrong because I got on the elevator with a guy by myself. It was on, I saw that he didn't hit the number. He only hit my number. I said 2. He only hit my number. And so I was like, oh my God. Then he got off. I thought he was gonna stay on the elevator. Then he got off the elevator a minute after me. I was like, oh my God. So I kind of stopped. He was walking behind me. Oh my God, that freaked me out. And he was like hesitant. And then I thought he was walking towards my car, but his truck was right next to mine. I was like, oh my God. So I stood there until I called everybody. Y'all didn't answer y'all phones. I FaceTimed you. When people FaceTime you or call you, I wanted to FaceTime you so you can see, but those are nose hairs. So I wanted you to see the person, you know. So nobody answered their phone, so I called Sydney. Thank you, Sydney. You're the only one that answered the phone. And then I waited, I stopped, and then I saw these 2 other construction workers coming down. So as they were walking towards like me, I crossed them and I went in my car so they can see. And the man, as soon as I got in my car, he drove off. It was so suspicious, y'all. I ain't gonna say that he was gonna try something, but I felt like he was gonna try something. Anyway, the Segway tour, I mean, thank you, Lord. And then this homeless guy, you know, I don't want to say he harassed me, but I ended up buying him pizza and a soda. He was nice, and I was just like, listen, I don't have no money. He was like, I ain't about that. He was like, you know how they try to do you and try to talk you. I said, listen, I don't got no money. What you want? You know, he was like, I wasn't going to ask you for that. I said, so what you want? He said, I wasn't going to ask you for no money. I said, so what you want? And then he said, I thought he said a cup of rice. He was playing games. I said, a cup of rice? Where's the cup of rice? You know what I'm saying? Because get to the point with me. Don't try to fast talk me. Don't try to do all. I said, what did you say? I said, what did you say? You know, because he was trying to see if they try to read you. You got to let them know what it is. You know, I said, you want some pizza? It's right here. You know, I'll get you the pizza and you can go on your way. You know, and he was like, don't be so. I said, listen, I'm by myself. Listen, now, I'm going to get you the pizza and you can go. Then he came in there next to me. It's like, I want to be nice, but you can't be nice. You got to be stern into the, you know, like, I want to help you, but you ain't about to finesse me. You know what I mean? He looking and see how, go over there, because you're trying to see what's in my purse. You know what I'm saying? And I only was entertaining him because there were people around. Now, if people weren't around, no, bye. Houston is sketchy. I can walk downtown anywhere, but I feel like I can't walk downtown Houston by myself. I didn't feel right, you know, so because I parked away from where the Segway tour started. I'm never doing that again. I don't feel safe in Houston walking by myself downtown. Sketchy. So anyway, yeah, he was trying to, I was like, and then he was asking my name. I'm just like, he said, you so, yes, I am. I am. Anyway, but I was happy to help him. I just don't like when they try to fast talk you and, you know, and I don't need all that. God bless you. Be on your way. Because some people, you can tell they are genuinely nice. This one, he was just trying to do too much, you know? And I'm like, because you can feel the spirit of people and the vibes of people, and always go off what you feel. I was feeling like you're doing too much, and I'm about to tell you, you're doing too much. Anyway, so I'm on my way home. Sydney is over my Aunt Carrie's there waiting for me. This is what my hair looked like after I took down those braids like a couple days ago, and I kind of like it. I like the way it look, and it's only what I put on in that video. So I'm gonna go back, and I believe I only used Shine and Jam. I don't know, but I'm liking it. I'm loving my makeup today. If you can see it, I don't know. But yeah, and my friend Teresa, I haven't seen her in 12 years. It was so good to see you. Hey Teresa, happy birthday. Yeah, so I'm going to go pick up Sydney over my aunt's, and then I'm going to Starbucks first, the closest Starbucks drive through. That's where I'm going. And I will see you guys.